Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to fix the access denied error in Google Chrome. If a website is showing an access denied message and won't let you access it, these steps may help fix the problem. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings. From the left side, click on Extensions. Turn off all installed extensions. Sometimes a browser extension can interfere with certain websites and cause this error. Now go back to Settings. Click on Privacy and Security. Then select Delete Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time. Make sure the available options are selected. Then click Delete Data. Once the browsing data has been cleared, restart Google Chrome and try opening the website again. If the problem is still there, open Chrome Settings again. Click on Reset Settings. Then select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings to confirm. Once the reset is complete, restart Google Chrome and check if the website is working. If you are still getting the access denied error, the website may be blocked in your region or by your network. In that case, try using a trusted VPN service of your choice and connect to a different location. Then open the website again and check if the problem has been fixed. So this is how you can fix the access denied error in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.